Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into download mode. Now before we get started, you'll need to grab a cable, plug it into your computer, and then also connect it with your device. Once it's connected, we can now select our boot options right over here. And you can either choose power off or reset, it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna go with reset. Now before I tap on it again to initiate it, I'm gonna quickly mention that once you do, you want to hold volume up, volume down, and power button. So I'm gonna try to figure out how I wanna press both of those, or all these keys, or something like this. Okay, so reset. There we go. Screen turns off, so I'm gonna start holding all the buttons. And there we go. We are now in the download mode, or one step before that. Now I'm going to turn off the lights just so you can see a little bit clearer what's on the display, because this is very faint. So let me just turn that off and bring up the camera. There we go. So you can see this a little bit better, hopefully. Now in here, you'll see one of the messages is to press volume up to continue. So I'm going to do that right now. And there we go. We are now in the download mode. So that is how you boot into this mode. Now, once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, you can hold volume down and power button together to forcibly reboot the device. It also gives you the same message right here. Volume down, side key, aka power key, because, you know, volume buttons are also on the side. For more than 7 seconds to cancel, and in parentheses, restart phone. Or tablet in this case, I would say, but okay. So I'm gonna unplug it, and I'm gonna start holding volume down and power button at the same time. It turns off, and it's gonna turn back on its own. So I'm gonna bring back the lights. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.